Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to turn off power saving mode in our realme phone. Friends, you want to turn off your power saving mode, so friends you can turn off. And guys, now let's see how to turn off power saving mode in our realme phone. In this video guys I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel and guys you are watching my video first time, so friends first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to turn off your power saving mode. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see guys your phone battery setting. Friends, tap here and guys you can see power saving mode is on, and guys you want to off. So in right side guys you can see this icon on your screen, so just tap here to off, and guys the default function guys will remove from here after off power saving mode. So your power saving mode will off in your realme phone. So like that guys you can turn off your power saving mode in your realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video friends with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.